Hey, what's up, everybody? Billy here. Wanted to tell you a really quick story, real quick, that I thought was pretty cool and pretty interesting. Before I, you know, make this video, but basically, one of the companies that I promote had a live event in Arizona, and one of the speakers came up and told a pretty cool story about how he met his wife. So, his wife was actually looking for, ways to make money online, and she came across his website where she liked what she saw and she opted in. Well, like a little bit later, she got a phone call and it was him, and wanting basically following up with her and seeing if she wanted help. That's what he was there to do, was help her. Well, obviously she didn't know him, right? She didn't trust him, she didn't like him, and well, I can't say like, she just didn't know him. And So she basically turned him down, right? Well, him being a marketer, sent an email basically asking like, "Hey, I'm doing a webinar. Definitely stop by and come learn some stuff." So, she was definitely interested in making money, so she went to that webinar, and learned a thing or two. And to make a long story short, they got married. And I thought that was a really cool story. And one of my mentors was there, and he turned his friend and said, "Now, how's that for a conversion?" Now, if you're doing any kind of affiliate marketing or anything like that, you kind of know what I'm talking about when conversion. But I thought that was a pretty cool story. Um, but I don't have that kind of conversion, going on here today. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys, a little bit of what I do, and that's literally just sending emails. I do affiliate marketing. I do that just because it's very simple, and I don't have to do much. It allows me to continue being a little bit lazy. So I literally just send an email, and that's how I convert. Um, the traffic that I get into commissions, which get me results. So anyway, guys, if you don't know me, this is me. This is my Facebook page. You can see I have friends. It's not really a lot, considering like I probably speak to maybe 15, 20 of these people. So I'm sure most of those are bots, but this is not a new account. I mean, you can scroll down here and learn more about what I do. And just, I mean, there's years. I've had this account for years. So I'm definitely not hiding. And hopefully, I know this is still online. So obviously, you don't know me, and I'm not saying you have to trust me by this, but I am here, guys. You can ask my friends, and they'll tell you I'm a legit guy. And This is my family here. I got a wife, three kids, and love them all. So this is why I do what I do online, just to take some stress off of my back and be able to have more fun with these guys here. So with that being said, the business that I share right now, because it's just that awesome to me, and I use it and I get results with it. What I learn from it works, and it's called the Home Business Academy, specifically the All-in-One Business. So that's going to be the email that I'm going to send tonight. And so if you're part of this business, guys, I mean, feel free to to model what I'm doing here. If you're interested in it, definitely look for the link in the description, or send me a message. Find me on Facebook, send me a message, and let's talk. If you need, if you have some questions. But either way, I'm going to get in here, write an email, and just hit the send button. You guys can just watch over the shoulder. Now, just real quick, if you don't know what the all-in-one business is, I guess let me go into that real quick. That's basically the Home Business Academy, and we have an affiliate zone here and a funnel builder. Okay, so the all-in-one business is basically, you get the affiliate zone, which is the quick start, affiliate quick start. So our goal is definitely to help you succeed. And so you get all these videos along with some marketing material, literally full business here. In 4 videos, you'll have literally a full business here. And then you also get training on how to use the product. But we have done for you stuff. So it's not like you have to come in here and build from scratch. But that is what you get for the all-in-one. And these 4 videos is literally all you need to make money online. That's why it's called the All-in-One Business. So with that being said, one of the pages that I have the pleasure to promote is the All-in-One Business, and that's this page right here. So this is what I'm going to, I captured email leads and I sent them to my autoresponder. And now, since I already have the lead in my autoresponder, I'm not going to send them another capture page. Now I'm going to send them directly back to the offer. And the way I do that, guys, I make the email writing part of this simple because, again, I do affiliate marketing because I'm a little bit lazy. And all the marketing, all the selling, all the telling, customer support, everything is done for me. So I don't like to complicate it any more than that. So in terms of writing emails, I am a little bit better these days. So I don't have to do this method as much, but I still come in here and do it because I'm not a copywriter. So if you're new, I mean, you can definitely, deploy this strategy here. But basically, you'd want to just find the benefits, or something on the sales page that kind of like stood out for you. Like, just looking here at what you see on the screen. I mean, looking at this, does any of this turn you on? I mean, for example, like, you can see results in less than 24 hours. Yeah, who doesn't want that? Step into an immediately profitable business online. Yeah, who doesn't want that? Start getting instant $2,000 monthly commissions in as little as 24 hours. Duh, no brainer, right? Without ever creating your own products, websites. Yeah, all that. So, I mean, how many emails, or subject lines could you come up just with what we read here, right? I mean, 3, 4, 5. Also, you guys can watch the video. Like this is a 28-minute video full of copywriting angles and different things that you can use in here. And that's actually what I did today. Sorry if you hear my cats. They're not my cats, they're my wife's cats and my kids' cats, but that's another story. So basically what I did was I started this video here, and literally like in 5 seconds, I already got the subject line, and I'll just let you hear that real quick. And my first 3 days, I had 2 sales. Doing what I do. Did you hear that, guy? So he said in his first 3 days, he got 2 sales while he was at work. I mean, that's pretty amazing. So he literally was making money, at work and making more money without working, right? So I mean, that's a pretty cool testimonial to start that off with, right? So I mean, just in that first part there, I decided to use the subject line. His first 3 days in this, I'm actually going to capitalize that in this, and he made 2 sales. So this is going to be the subject line. So in your email inbox, you would see this. Now, I'm not saying it's one of the best subject lines ever, but you won't know until you get in and test stuff, right? So, this to me is simple, and I think that it could work. So we can definitely check that out. See how it went after 24 hours. So that's the subject line. So after that, then I'm just going to write the email. So let's come back over here. So in that video, he literally said, I'm just going to say, can you believe that? Sorry about that. And I'm going to say he was able to do that while he was working his full time. Want to check it out? Go here. See you there, Billy. Literally, that's it, guys. Right? So I came up with a subject line, right, that hopefully is going to get some people on my email list to want to know more. Well, I kept it simple, right? I mean, I could make this super long, but it's not necessary. I mean, you're more than welcome to do that. But these days, I mean, it's literally just that. I could have, maybe listened to a little bit more of his story. But these are just really quick testimonials. I think if I scroll all the way down here, at the very bottom, he probably has another full testimonial somewhere, right? Yeah, right here. But basic, so I could literally listen to this and even pull more content out of here based on what he said. All right, guys. So I actually went back in and watched that little video because it was only like a minute and 32 seconds. So I ended up pulling a little bit more out. So basically, just by looking at the sales page, this is the subject line that I came up with, and then this is the email copy I came up with. I said, "Can you believe that?" He was able to do that while he was working his full-time job. It was perfect for him because he needed something simple, easy to start, and was easy to do every day since he was busy. He went into the members area and followed the quick start. That is it. See what my other friends are saying right here, and then literally I would just link my affiliate um, page there, and that one is Join AIO, and basically that's going to send them to this page right here. Which, as you can see here, as soon as they hit that play button, they're going to see what I said in the subject line, which is going to be very, congruent. And that is it. So literally, once I hit the send button and schedule this out, that's good. That's it. I can literally close my laptop and go about my day. And this right here, now I'm not saying that this is going to make me sales, you know what I'm saying? But the fact of the matter is that I'm following up with my leads. Now, if you're wondering how do you get leads, well, that's another video. But if you definitely need to know how to get leads, then leave a message on this video, or as I said before, you can find me and message me on Facebook, and I can kind of help you out, share some ways that I get leads, so that you can have people to send this email to. So with that being said, my friends, I hope that this video was useful. Again, this is how simple I keep email marketing. And then I just promote offers that I believe in and that are recurring income, because that's the best kind of income, right? So you don't want to keep starting over, and you definitely, um, you want to do the work once and get paid over and over, guys. And that's what this offer is all about. And again, one of the other things that I was thinking I could do here, and I may go back and change that actually. So um, see what my other friends are saying here. So instead of sending it here, what I meant to do, so you could send it here, guys. If you didn't do videos or YouTube, I don't do YouTube, but I recently started, and I'm just trying to, see how that traffic source goes. So obviously I could do this and I'd be more than happy to leave it here. But the goal here, and I just totally forgot, was to actually come down and share a video YouTube video that I made, where I reviewed the all-in-one that I'm talking about here. I actually reviewed the offer. So what I'm going to do here is just send that instead. So I'm going to go here. Let me pause this, and then I'm going to go share, and then I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back to my email, highlight that text, and then I'm just going to put that in right there. So now whoever opens up this email, they're going to read this. If they like what they see or they want to know more, they're going to click here and they'll automatically go to this video. And in this video, I kind of walk them through the all-in-one business. And then I tell them that they can check out the link in the description, and that's here. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, I'd appreciate a like, a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Or, if you have, if I don't know it, I'll find out for you guys, or at least I'll be able to make some more content, kind of tailoring it to, whatever you are struggling with when it comes to affiliate marketing. So with that being said, appreciate you. Have a great day or evening.